Alright, so now umbuzo wokuqala. It's based on a 3-mark question nje. Yonke into fairly simple, ama-units are in the correct order. Wena nje ukusebenzisa i-formula sisajwayela ukuyisebenzisela i-formula, which means mesiqhubeka ozokwenza wena yini ukuthi uyipause i-video and then uyi-attemptele wena ama-questions ungawaboni. I mean like ingaveli i-answer phambi kwakho and then mase uyalinda press play ngiyiphendule. So uthiwa la a pulse covers a distance, distance of 2 meters. So first things first, siyabhala i-given yethu, i-given konke esikunikeziwe. So number 1 sinikeziwe u-D ukuthi u-2 meters in 4 seconds, which means in le isikhathi T is 4 seconds on a heavy rope. Intambo esindayo. Fana njengokuthi nje nayo le ntambo esindayo bavele bayithi kanje yahamba ke lo pulse leyo. Okay, calculate the pulse speed. So manje bafunani ke? Bafuna u-V. Yabo? Uyayazi yona i-formula oyisebenzisa la. Iyona impela le uqala. Ethi V is equals to the distance all over the time. Yabo? So V is equals to distance yakho, you check, is it given in the correct unit? I-distance yakho should always be in ama-meters. Nangempela basinikeze ngani? Ngama-meters. So i-distance yethu is 2 meters. And then time is 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Yabo? And then so uyifaka ke lento yakho uyi-calculate. So V is equals to 2 divided by 4. Ikunikeza u-0.5. But those 0.5 unama units akhona. Speed is always in meters per second. Uqhamuka kulama units amabili. So this becomes the answer yakho worth 3 marks. 3 marks comes from the formula, the substitution, and the final answer. Yabo ilula. So when nje is just ukurecognize okunikiwe ukuthi kungama units angifanele yini ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyisebenzisa yona le equation le. Uma kuwukuthi kukhona okukodwa, for example mhlawumbe labo unikeza centimeter instead of meter, you have to convert first to meters. Mase uzoyisebenzisa ke la. If ama seconds mhlawumbe unezwa ama minutes, now uzowa convert because you know ukuthi asibhale la 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Ikanje lento. Yabo? So, uma ngisuka ku1 kuze abo 60, obvious. Kumele ngimi times. And u60 ukuze abe u1, obviously kumele ngimi divide. Ngoba ngo60 nala. So yona into ozikhumbula le of converting between ama minutes nama seconds. When most of the time nje most neza ama minutes times ama 60 to ama seconds. So ba right. Yabo? For example, if la bethe in 4 minutes uzothi 4 times 60 kubo yilo answer uzoyifaka instead of T in ula. Yabo? So remember, this is the pulse speed, which is the distance. The pulse speed yini? It is the distance a pulse travels per unit time. Yini lo pulse sike sayikhala sathi it is a single disturbance in a medium. Yabo? Yona nje le hamba kwi-medium. Ukuthi ihamba ngesivinini esingakanani, ngespeed esingakanani, ithatha ama-meter amangakanani ngesecond elilodwa. Iyona answer yethu leyo. So la sesiyazi ukuthi ithatha u-half we-meter ngesecond elilodwa, which means ngama-second awu-2 izothatha i-meter elilodwa kanjalo. Yabo? Aseni kuyumbuzo olandelayo.